Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share my complete wash day routine. I've already washed my hair with the medicated shampoo and done the turmeric water rinse. Now I'm going to apply conditioner all over my hair. If you can notice on the screen, I'll be focusing more on the ends because they are very dry. I'm just spreading my conditioner on the entire hair. It's time to divide my hair into two sections. And now I will be detangling my hair. If you notice, firstly I have softened my hair with conditioner. Starting from the end, I will detangle first and move. So I'm detangling first from the end and moving towards the middle part of my hair. If you notice, I'm detangling my hair clumps wise using my fingers. This leads to less breakage since hair are wet and wet hair are gentle and easily break if not handled carefully. So I'll do the same on my right hand side of the partitioning. It's time for the squishing part. So basically squishing hair with some conditioner, it helps in clump formation and I will keep doing till I'm done with squishing all my hair. You can notice the sound while doing the squishing. You must feel that sound while you will be doing the squishing. Once the squishing is done, I've already washed my hair and rinsed off the entire conditioner. It's time for some styling. We'll start with leave-in conditioner on left hand side in praying hand motion and move towards right once done. I'm spreading it all across my hair and a slight rake-in motion. Now so this is the rake-in motion. It's time to now apply the curl cream, which is indeed my favorite. I'll spread it well in my palms with a tiny amount of water. Now again, it is required to do some squishing. Spreading the curl cream all over my hair, making it sure that entire hair are covered. And then my favorite part, to squish and squish. I'll do the squishing until I'll feel that okay, my entire hair are squished properly. The total time depends on the various factors. I'm doing it in all my hair and then on my crown area for the specific. Now I will take some water in a mug. Like I have explained on screen, adding slight water makes a lot of difference. It helps to remove the additional amount of conditioner or any product that accidentally got onto my scalp, and also a little bit of water helps to keep the moisture intact. In the end, we'll take entire hair length in my face and do the final squishing. And now we'll cover my hair in old t-shirt for 20 minutes to plop. I've not styled my hair with gel. I have used a little extra amount of curl cream for holding my curls. It also does the job. Thank you.